So if you guys watched the video, a couple videos back that we posted, I showed this area. You have massive sulfides in quartz. You can see solid pyrite with some chalcopyrite all throughout here. This right here is magnetite. This is just a deteriorated vein. You have a chlorite schist here. Back here, you have more quartz veining with, we were pulling out some sphalerite back here from there, which is a zinc sulfide. Some more there. And you can see how wide this is. This is about 2 meters at this area here, and it's about 1 meter here. You got more exposed up here in this vuggy quartz. And all along through here. So we're just going to search this area a bit better. I noticed a couple other smaller veins. We'll go take a look at those. We want to go up through the bushes here and see if we can expose this a bit better. More exposed right here. It's just solid sulfides. And you got more there. Some nice mineralization again in your quartz. Pyrite, a little bit of chalcopyrite, magnetite. A couple pieces that just chipped off there. Magnetite and quartz. You got a little bit of copper sulfides in there, but primarily pyrite with your chlorite schist. A little bit of magnetite in there too. A bit of chloritized quartz with iron pyrite again. And a bit of pyrite and quartz. So you can see the heavily oxidized layer here, all in the front. And then behind it you have your vein structure. Well, if you walk over here, you have a similar layer all the way up in here, going over to here and continuing that way. So it's safe to say that if you were to hammer out all this area, you'd probably have some kind of vein structure in behind as well. So quartz vein over there, we're on the right side now. You can see the structure still continues, goes in this way. Couple samples pulled out of there with pyrite and quartz. So I don't know if you can see that tree there with the flagging tape. Well, that is right where that first showing is we looked at. We're over a bit now to the right, about 75 meters. You got stringers in here of pyrite. You got a nice zone about 10 meters wide where there's nice amounts of mineralization. You got a vein structure here which looks like pyrite and magnetite, and there's a bit of quartz in there. It looks like mostly chloritized schists with maybe some quartz ogden schists, and some nice mineralization right there. About a 10 centimeter wide structure. Up here you have, again, more iron sulfides, primarily pyrite. And up here, it's exposed on the wall. Again, you have more iron pyrite. Over here, Another stringer zone here where you got a few stringers of pyrite in your schists. So I think there's probably a couple zones here that are mineralized. They all kind of strike in the same direction. All similar mineralization, and this is covering about a span of 150 to 200 meters of the road, where you can find these stringers in the zone. And of course you got that one larger one above. There's a secondary road where we found a nice deteriorated quartz vein, which is exposed in two areas over about 10 meters. And you can see bits of pyrite in there, a little bit of chalcopyrite, but mostly it's so vuggy that all your sulfides have leached out. So I think this is an interesting candidate for doing some sampling up here. Some nice sulfides here. Again, that was from a piece right here. Most of your host rock appears to have sulfides in it, as well as the stringers. A little grab sample here from below the outcrop iron sulfides there. Another piece here we just chipped out of a vein. Thanks for that. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the short little video. That's all for this zone. See you guys in the next one.